Need to recover a deleted CapCut account on your iPhone? This usually happens if the account was accidentally deleted or removed due to inactivity. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your deleted CapCut account. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Give feedback. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the Me tab. After that, tap on the settings icon from the top. Next, tap on feedback here. Then tap on give feedback from the bottom. Here you can chat with their AI agent. Just send a message to them that you forgot that your account is deleted and follow their requirements. Then give all of your credentials and details. Method 2. Send a mail to support team. Go to the Safari browser, search CapCut support. Tap on the first URL, then scroll down until you see the form. Here, enter your name. Next, enter your active email address so that CapCut team can reach you. Then, type your subject here like my CapCut account was deleted. Then write a message in this box that Dear CapCut team, my CapCut account has been deleted. I have not broken any rules or violations. If I have, it was not intentional. Please help me recover my account and projects as soon as possible. Best regards. Then write your name. If you had a CapCut Pro subscription, then include a screenshot of your last payment receipt. Finally, tap Submit Form. Then CapCut team will reach out to you within 7 days. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.